Good morning, children. For class 6 history, chapter 1st. Remaining question. The short question number 6. Question is, what kind of information we obtain in history by studying pottery, ornament and weapons? Children, the answer is, by studying pottery, ornaments and weapons, we get many information about our past, how people live, what ornament did they wear, and which weapons did they use to kill wild animals in a special occasion. Now children, come to question 7. Difference between manuscript and inscriptions. The answer is, manuscript. Manuscripts are literary sources that help to know about the past. These were written on palm leaves and the bark of birch trees, although most of these have been destroyed with the passage of time. More manuscripts that are available help us understanding the past. Now come to the point, inscriptions. Inscriptions are writing which are engraved on rocks, pillars, clay tablets, the walls of temples and caves. They tell us about the king, their empire, achievement, as well as the society and the language of the period. Now come to long answer question. The first question is, how did our country get its name? India is known by many names like Aryavarta, Jambudweep, Bharatvarsh, Bharat, Hindustan, India, etc. Now come to point India. The people from Iran and Greece came to the northeast of India. Thus they became familiar with the river Indus. They called it Indus or Hindus. This land of the east of this river came to be known as India. Now about Bharat. People who lived in northwest were known as Bharata. They are mentioned in Rig Veda. The name Bharat came because of the term Bharat. Come to the question second. Now the question is, what is the importance of inscriptions in studying history? The written records on the walls of the caves, metal pillars, rocks, stones, copper, stone and clay tablets, walls of temples and are known as inscriptions. The inscriptions on the monuments, metals, pillars, rocks, coppers and clay tablets have been a source of information about the victories and achievement of the ruler of the ancient empire. The way of life, events and culture of the emperor are depicted through inscriptions. They also highlight the influence of the historical legacy of a king or on the empire. Now the rest question will be solved on the next video. Have a nice day.